Model, 2016 Ford Transit 350 Welfare Crew Cab Ideal Camper Conversion. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 192377. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately, the speedo clocks do not seem to work, has some kind of electrical issue. Everything else is perfect, mechanically brilliant grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, tow bar. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119